Jai Srimanarayana. 9th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Srotram Chakshuhu Sparsanancha Rasanam Ghraanamevacha Adhishtaya Manaschayam Vishayan Vupasevate. Om. Realize that you are the master of your body and you are driving your organs towards their corresponding objects. Now you should start making sure those corresponding objects are divine. For an example, your eye must be craving to see Krishna. Your ear must be craving to listen to Krishna's stories. Your tongue must be craving to sing Krishna Namas. Like this, you should be making sure all your organs are driven towards the divine objects. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall definitely start making sure that all my organs driven towards their corresponding objects and those corresponding objects are divine. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 297th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Ho Parikshit Narendra, Kaliya's wives praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, Ho Krishna, those who gets to see or touch your divine feet or the dust of your divine feet, they would not want even moksham also. But the moment they gets to get contact with your divine feet, they will not have rebirth at all. Oh Krishna, if we look at this Sarparaju, Tadesha Nadha Apa Durapam Anyaihi, he has got such a greatest amount of Ashirvadam, because it is impossible for anyone to even come close to your divine feet. But this Sarparaju has got all of your Divya Sannidhanam on his hoods. Who is this Sarparaju? What is he? Tamasudu Roshakalitundayun Ashakyambagu Sobhanamu Samaksham Kaniyan. He is Tamasa. He is always filled up with so much of Krodham, Rosham. But on contrary, your Pada Padma Dhuli, the dust of the divine feet of yours, your Divya Sannidhanam, it is impossible for samsara chakre bhramataha sharirinaha yadichataha. Those who are in this samsaram, they cannot even dare enough to imagine your divine feet and coming in contact with your divine feet or dust of your divine feet. That much far from all those who are in this samsaram. Your anugraham is that much far. But here, this Sarparaju, the one who is always filled up with so much of rosham, anger, animosity, he got your Divya Sannidhanam. He got your divine touch. He came in contact with the dust of your divine touch. What a greatest fortune that he has got. Oh Krishna, that means now from this event we can understand, if your blessings are showered on anyone who are in this samsara chakram, unknowingly, all of a sudden, they can get your divine appearance. Like that, Kaliya's wives praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 9th sloka. Shrotram chakshus parishanancha rasanam ghranameva adhisthaya manaschayam vishayan vupasevate. Shrotram chakshus parishanancha rasanam ghranameva adhisthaya manaschayam विषयान् उपसेवते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.